What's good, y'all? Lexis here, and I am back again with another hair tutorial. Peep the growth, okay? So today I am partnering with Ywigs. Ywigs always gonna make me work hard, okay? So today I am using their Kinky Curly Microlinks or Micro Loop. They sent me a 14 bundle, 16-inch, and then an 18-inch bundle. So right now I'm just showing you guys my layout. I kind of prepared my hair off camera so that you guys can see what I did. So I braided the perimeter for the perimeter to be out so I can do ponytails, and I gave myself a side and a middle part. So I'm just showing you what the bundles kind of look like all together. Super pretty, super full. So once I took the bundle apart, you guys can see that the bundle is split into 4 separate parts. They did give me some tools to use, and we're just gonna jump right into the video. So I am officially, I believe, 7 months post big chop, so I got a little growth going. Okay, I know that's right. So what I'm doing is basically parting out really thin slithers of my hair, and then tying the rest away, and then I'm gonna part it into small little pieces. And I did the parting the entire time with my fingers. So this first one, I'm just gonna show you guys how it's actually done. So you're just gonna put your hair through the loop, pull the little handle through, and the little handle pulls your hair through, and then you're just going to use the tool to kind of like smush the little beads so that it'll stay on your hair. Now I'm showing you guys how it's not done. So you see I loop my hair through and I'm pulling the little handle and my hair is not coming through. Whenever that happens, when you're doing it at home, that means the section is too big. Go ahead and make it smaller. I just wanted to leave that clip in there so that you guys can see. If it's not an easy pull through, then that means the section is too big. So literally that's the entire process throughout the whole entire head. So it's kind of repetitive, but like my first couple rows, they was a little messy, but after I got a hang of it, it kind of went by pretty fast. Overall, this hairstyle only took me 4 hours. So I really thought it was going to take all day, but I got a hang of it. So yeah, like I said, you're just going to put your hair through the loop. Once you put your hair through the loop, I kind of use my other fingers to kind of push the bead up, and then I'm going to use that little handle and it pulls your hair right through. Then you're going to flatten that bead with the tool, and that's pretty much the repetitive process. So enjoy this little quiet session with my banging music, and I'll come back to y'all when I have something to say. I did want to go ahead and mention that if you guys can kind of see, there's kind of like space between my actual root of my hair and the bead. You want to make sure that you're not putting the bead like super close to the root of your hair, because one, it'll cause breakage, and two, it's not going to be very versatile. So always leave like a little space, like I said, between the root of your hair and the actual bead of the microlink, because it'll be really uncomfortable and painful.
Together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is. Then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception. So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh. I'm just being honest now. Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah.
Alright, so boom, we're officially done. I'm just showing you guys that I really did do the microlinks all in the middle of my head, and then around my parting sections that I chose. Just showing you guys what it kind of looks like, and also what it looks like in a ponytail. So whenever I pull out the perimeter, you guys will see in the next clip that my hair pretty much covers it up. You just want to make sure that you're leaving enough hair out to cover the beads, but they are black, so it's pretty easy to do. So next I'm going to take my Mielle Organics. This is the pomegranate and honey line, and I'm using this to basically wet my hair and define it. So I'm using the leave-in, I think it's the leave-in conditioner, and then like the curl gel, and basically like kind of raking that through, and then using my diamond brush to kind of like mix my hair in with the Microlink. So I wasn't really feeling the middle part, so I did end up flipping it over to the side, and then kind of just trying to blend my hair in with the rest of the microlinks. And then I ended up cutting me like a little baby layer in the front because my hair is shorter in the front. So I just kind of like try to even out the front so that it'll be kind of like shorter pieces, so it wouldn't be as obvious as to where my hair started or ended. After that, I just continued on, you know, moisturizing and everything like that. This clip is very blurry, so I didn't even show y'all how to do the edges today, but y'all know the tea. So this is the hair completely defined and still very wet. So I decided to basically go to bed, put it up in a pineapple, and we're gonna head over to the next morning so y'all can see it completely dry. Good morning. Okay, so morning time, I just wanted to show y'all my little pineapple because it was given, this is my hair. I really love these microlinks because it kind of looks like my hair before I cut it, so I'm definitely a fan. But we're gonna hop into styling. So all I'm doing as far as styling goes, because I already put the products and everything in there, I'm just kind of like shaking my hair out, removing all the bobby pins and all that stuff. I use that to kind of like push the bangs out my face, but I'm kind of just like fluffing it out because it wasn't a pineapple, so you gotta get that little ponytail dent out of the hair. But literally just using my fingers, I'm just showing you guys the links are there, the proof is in the pudding, they're there, but it looks like my hair. Okay, I rhyme bars. But so for my hair, since it's dry now, like I said, my front is a little shorter, so I'm just using some of the like microlink hair, and I'm twisting my hair in with it to kind of like hide the fact that my hair is like super, not super short, but like kind of short compared to it, and my hair did shrink up. So yeah, I'm definitely chatting, but overall I really do love this style. I'm actually excited for my hair to grow back now. Like, this really got me hyped because it's really giving my hair when I would do a wash and go before I cut it off and got it colored. So I'm really a super fan of these microlinks, super easy to install. If you guys want me to do a removal video, let me know, but all the links will be down in the description box. Once again, Ywigs Kinky Curly Microlinks, get at them.